show you how to make fresh, sweetened, homemade whipped cream with 3 simple ingredients: heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Place a bowl in the freezer for 10 minutes to chill. Remove the bowl, add all 3 of your ingredients, and using your mixer, you're going to beat the cream on a low speed. Now gradually increase to high speed until stiff peaks form. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a whisk. Now it may take some time, so just be patient. Now you're ready to add to your pies, parfaits, or any recipe that requires some delicious whipped cream.